Happy National Day! Welcome to an episode of Cbtl.
Yo,
Pyroclastic.
yo. Sprinkle of truth. Yo, listen up. Yo, we are the best in the city. Every call, SOT. From Booger to Party and many variety. But in this case, we are out of case. Let's set out the base and onto the things. Sprinkle of truth. Yo,
This is the National Day episode. Just like last year, right? We have a National Day episode showing the promo food from various fast food restaurants. So we follow the trend for this year. So what we having, Selby?
First one, we come with Subway beef rendang with a lot of veggies, chipotle, and also honey mustard sauce. Come together with the pandan cookie.
So the second one is the Hainanese chicken burger, which collaborate with the Singapore actor Ben Yo. So the meal, right, come with crisp cut fries
And a banana,
banana
pie.
So you don't forget when you eat this, right, you need to have this special dark sweet sauce.
Okay, moving on to Long John Silver. We have chicken and prawn rendang with
Rice cake.
rice cake.
And total we got 3 meals. So the second one will be the grilled chicken with the rice cake, fries and the rendang sauce.
And last from Long John would be the spicy crab steak with chili crab sauce.
Yes, so this is the chili crab sauce.
Okay, and
So
for dessert,
yeah, they have a dessert also. We find out because last year we don't do a dessert. We find out there's a National Day dessert. So it's from coffee bean,
And
tea
tea
leaf. Okay, so we having this iced coconut blended. So this coconut blended, right, come with organic chia seed. So there's some flake of coconut
and gula melaka.
gula melaka, correct, the top up.
There will be the coconut mousse,
Pandan cake. Okay,
Looks so good.
Yeah, definitely. So first thing first, I think we try the
Subway.
Subway. Okay, right.
So there's beef rendang inside.
So all this, okay, before that, all this, right, food, right, is on at limited time only. I think by end of this month, right, all will be gone. This menu, I mean.
Correct. So we try the
Just try. Okay, the beef. Okay, you see, right, this beef, right, actually got the rendang taste.
I think it's marinated.
Yeah. It's not spicy. Got the taste of the rendang. Okay lah.
So initially I thought we don't need any sauce, just come with it. Then they asked me, do you want to add sauce? I said okay.
It's not bad. The taste of the rendang, right, from the marinated meat, power. Yeah. So we try the pandan cookie. Upik lah.
Why pandan cookie for really? Dia jatuh siap. For lah pandan cookie.
So now we're trying the pandan
Cookie.
As you know, right, on Subway, right, all their cookies is soft cookie. Okay. It's not like eating, you know, the chiffon cake. Huh?
Not bad.
Not bad. The fragrance, the taste, all that. Even though it looks simple, that doesn't look appetizing actually. Initially, when Selby bought, right, they say
It's a bit flat. Doesn't rise up like the normal cookie.
so but the taste is not bad. Okay, so overall, this Subway for this rendang beef sub meal, I would give a 4.
I gave 4.5. I like the meat.
Let me. Okay. So next is the Hainanese chicken burger.
Okay, this is something very new. nobody has tasted before.
Okay.
Let's put it in.
Okay, wait, we check what is that. Okay, the inside of the burger, right, they have the cabbage and the carrot shredded. With the
You open
chicken
up.
lah. Okay. I think drop sikit, don't cakap suruh tak.
Is it?
Lagi manis sangat.
Oh, okay, then like this lah.
Dah.
Oh, this stringy. Okay.
Okay. So inside here, right, they consist of, from what I read, right, got the ginger sauce and the ginger chili sauce.
The black sauce is one, you mean?
Excluding.
Oh, it's clean.
So it's inside. Really.
Okay, no. Hi, do. Can?
Yeah.
And add more sauce.
Little too sweet.
Let's try it. Like my one, that black king.
Try
It's
it.
like kicap ah.
That one kicap eh.
Kicap right? Nah, kicap ah.
Thank you so much. Sweet lah.
It's a mix of like soya sauce and kicap.
Dah lah, dark sweet sauce lah. It's sweet. Okay. Actually the...
So which part Hainanese?
Huh?
Which part?
Which part? Okay, so after I try, right, it's exactly like Mac Spicy but without the spicy. So it's like a Mac non-spicy burger. Nothing spectacular to me.
Yeah, I had high expectation on this.
Yeah, but to me like okay, like nothing Hainanese chicken rice eh.
You can feel, you can taste the ginger, you can taste the what are the things inside, the spices you can taste. Just that it doesn't bring up the Hainanese chicken rice at all.
The taste they call it, but okay, never mind. We try the banana pie.
I think this one banana pie came out for
Yeah.
the minion
Ah.
minion one, right?
But saya ask Irman lah. Irman, correct Irman? Last time you're the minion, right? Kacau dia. Okay.
Because you always watch. You always watch.
Actually this one really good to me
The banana pie is one of the best pie I ever had.
Correct, sure eh.
And also the blueberry one. Blueberry with cream cheese or something.
Correct, right. This one not bad, the banana. So overall, what make this meal astounding, right? So sampai pelik lah. It's a banana pie.
Correct. Otherwise,
So this one nothing to me. So overall experience I would give a 3 for this.
let's not consider the banana pie in. I think I give a 2.
Alamak.
Something not really to look forward for.
Yeah, actually nothing much. It's quite disappointed.
Very disappointing.
So from there we cross over to Long John Silver.
Okay, so we're gonna try the best part of the meal is
We pour like that.
pour like that.
Right.
Or you want
deep? Deep.
Just put the plate then.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the rendang sauce.
Yeah, rendang sauce.
Is it?
Okay lah.
Let's have it with the rice. Rice cake.
Kita like hari raya hari ni.
Yeah.
Like hari raya.
No. Hey, the rendang not bad Spicy man. Not bad lah.
Okay, dah main. Try with the shrimp. So totally deep. Like that, right?
Nice man.
So you dunk the whole thing lah. That would be good.
You need to half. With half and half. Okay, gonna try with the chicken. Oh, the rendang is spicy, flavorful. Like I would say a bit of home cooked feeling.
This one the taste the rendang, right? Like got one makcik in Punggol lah.
Nice ah.
Okay, the rendang also quite okay, but on the spicier side.
Not bad.
But not so spicy. So okay.
Yeah. It's fine. Good.
Okay, next we're going to have the grilled chicken. Okay. Other than that, it's the same,
I think the grilled chicken also normal. Right?
What?
The grilled chicken should be normal.
but deep with the. Okay, so we done with the.
I want to eat with the rice cake.
Udah there.
Yes. Put it everything in the center.
Oh, nice eh. I like the grilled chicken very soft.
Yeah.
Some of it with the rendang right, just like you eating a chicken rendang.
Actually, to me, Long John always have the best grilled chicken ever. Compared to
Is it?
other
Actually, usually I eat this.
right.
I never
I
eat.
tried once. This is the only grilled chicken.
Not bad, but I feel the Hari Raya vibe more than the National Day vibe.
Yeah. I don't know why they came up with
Rendang ah, I think it's rendang ah.
Rendang is literally Hari Raya. Maybe they never change menu.
Huh?
Since Hari
Even ada tu all rendang. Why rendang?
So far so good. Okay, let's move on to Singapore favorites. This one only in Singapore have, right? Okay.
Yeah. Huh? Okay, so the last menu from Long John, we're having the
Spicy cheese crabs.
what?
Pick one.
Okay. Nah, it is.
Okay. Right.
So this
Crab stick.
coated with the batter, I think spicy lah. Right.
Yeah. You can see the red color.
So it mixed with the
Chili crab sauce. But I see like no crab. So
okay, the sauce
sweet lah.
it's more sweet compared to the normal
Chili crab.
chili crab.
Spicy yes.
But they got, I mean, you can see the crab meat lah actually.
A bit ah.
Bit lah.
To put that one big one lah.
Then you charge how much? This one 450 only, no? And then if you put the big one,
450 no.
and then
Crab still how much?
don't say lah, this one promo lah. Okay.
To me,
Okay je lah.
okay lah.
Okay, for me overall experience for all this right, I will give a 4. For you?
4.5 lah.
4.5 ya? What
Nice
today
lah,
you know 4.5 ya? Okay. So after we had the mains right,
So let's move on to the best part of the video. That is the
dessert. So the dessert, we had the coconut ice blended
with organic chia seed,
pandan
topped with gula melaka.
and shredded dry coconuts on top. Okay.
So actually, I saw this drink online. Then I was like, I told Ash, we have to try this.
Yeah. So we try it first. By the way, you can see something different, right? You can see the selfie, the.
This one is COVID beer.
You will say it was cut only after the COVID gone.
Nice ah, nice. So the moment you drink it, you can taste the, what is it called? Lemak apa? Very nice ah, very light with whipped cream. I think one of the best drink from. Okay, my favorite drink was Malibu, but this one is
Malibu, right?
Malibu.
I thought some cocktail though, it's Malibu, right? Because I'm not a fan of coffee, so I don't really go Starbucks or Coffee Bean. So for me, this one right, is one of the best drink ever. Came out from Coffee Bean and tea leaf. So it's very creamy, very coconutty. Because of the coconut, I mean like there's a lot of coconut going on here with the dried coconut on top, but it's really nice. Smooth ah. Smooth.
I'll give the drink itself lah. Itself I'll give a 5.
Yeah, I will give a 5 also. Superb.
Nice.
Okay.
Continue making this, okay?
But I think it will end.
I think
End of the month.
I think we learn
Just
how to
a-
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay, next
Next.
we have the pandan mousse. Coconut mousse.
Coconut mousse pandan
Pandan
cake. Okay. Ah. Too soft already.
Just put lah. Okay.
Cool.
What, tower pizza.
Okay. So now we're going to try this.
So as you can see in the center, there's the gula melaka.
Yeah.
At the side is what?
The side is a cream cheese.
Oh, there's cream cheese.
I don't know. Hantam saja.
Sure lah.
No.
There's three.
Cream. Coconut cream.
Oh, coconut
Coconut
cream.
cream, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. So now we are having this. Before I describe, right? This guy,
I
halal
thought
already.
you said 1, 2, 3 mountain.
Never mind lah. It's a part of.
Oh,
So the is gula melaka with coconut cream on top with shredded coconut. With a pandan sponge cake.
okay. The cake is a bit heavy. So the pandan, this is the mousse cake. So I thought it would be light, but no. It's a bit heavy for the
Yeah.
pandan cake itself.
The sponge cake that will be light lah. So
Right.
this is mousse, quite thick, solid lah. Consider to me heavy lah, quite heavy compared.
I think eat one, you can be full lah.
Yeah, correct. Some more you come eat with this one, right? Solid.
So it's not too sweet. The coconut cream on the side and
Mildly lah, mildly
mild.
sweet.
The gula melaka is just nice. Just they put one layer of it. I think it's just
Yes,
nice.
correct.
And
And with
the-
2 layers of the coconut cream.
Then the shredded coconut is good lah. It's good lah.
Overall is good. I will give a 4.5 for this.
I'll give 5.
5 also, ah? Wah.
Very generous.
Very
Take.
generous, Okay, so that's all for our National Day episode. InsyaAllah next year also we just carry on the tradition lah, okay? For the National Day episode.
So follow us on IG, Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay.
3 million, right? Now we got 3 million
I
subscribers.
think about 4.5 lah going up.
4.5, okay, alright?
And with that, that's the
Speaker of Truth!
One Singapore.